The main reason why we do this stuff is to meet people who are on the other side of the screen. We spend so much time in tech thinking about features, and that's why it's so special to get those humans together.
You ready for the sizzle?
Welcome to the first ever Microsoft Power Platform Conference. What makes it so special to have this group together, this community. Our ability to share information, share knowledge, and teach and uplift one another is what makes this so special and really the best community in tech.
Employees with no developer background could innovate and drive the company forward. And the results are mind-blowing.
For me, my big aim was to present at events. This is something I absolutely love doing. I've always found with this stuff, the more I do, the more I get out of it. That's the stuff.
Community is amazing. I really feel like any woman that wants to go and have a career in this field can, because of the community, and everybody's there to support you no matter what.
I would say what's different about the community here is the willingness to share, brainstorming ideas, all for the benefit of growing the platform.
Community.
There's so many stories of people that I've met in the community that I remember, that motivate me every day.
The Power Platform is the great equalizer. You don't have to have 30+ years of development experience in order to do it. So believe in yourself and you can do it too.
Thank you so much for being part of the best community in tech.
I love being with the community. I actually feel that the Power Platform community is probably the healthiest community I've ever been a part of.
Taking this new direction in my career makes me feel more successful and more fulfilled.
And now, the shortest day of work of my life is over, so have a good one. Bye-bye.